Kakatamad. Wala akong kaplano-plano ngayong araw na to. Good morning! Sunday morning dito sa Singapore. My first vlog since I come back from Philippines. At dahil marami akong nakain during holidays nung nasa Pinas ako, syempre, kailangan magpapawis. Usual place, usual spot, usual routine. Takbo muna before heading to that Zumba class. At natapos din ang exercisyo, heading for breakfast, then a shower. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ang destinasyon ko para ngayon, para magkaroon ng content tong vlog. I'm thinking of something going to... Saan ako? Dito ako sa Vivo City. Pupunta ako ng Sentosa para nakasakay ng zipline. So for today's vlog, sasakay ako ng zipline at isasama ko kayo.
Abay dati,
Currently, naghahanap ako ng makakainan ng tanghalian kasi hindi pa ako nananghalian. And probably... Nandito na tayo sa Sentosa, sa may beach station. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung entrance dun sa zipline. Lalakad ako ngayon sa buhanginan beside the beach. This is a good view. May bagong bukas na bar or something na kainan. Ola pangalan ng bar, ng restaurant, hindi ko alam kung restaurant, pero it's a bar beside the beach and seems cool. Dito sa beach marami kang makikita, nagpi-picnic, nagpi-text, binabaon, nagbi-beach volleyball, naliligo, hangout pa rin. Ganda pa rito. Maraming turista, karamihan mga puti. Mambo Beach Club. Buti hindi masyadong mainit at hindi rin umuulan. Saktong-sakto lang yung panahon. Ayos ang pagbablog. Paanong basa dyan? No son? Hindi ko maintindihan. There's the zipline. Look here guys. Soon to open. Bungee jump, giant swing, vertical skywalk, and sky bridge. Woo! How cool is that? Tatayo nila dito sa place na to. Yan sa place na yan. Good. Dito tayo. Lahat daw ng gamit ilalagay sa locker, including my camera. So pinayagan lang nila ako gamitin yung GoPro kasi meron akong strap at merong lock pang handle para sa selfie stick. Limited yung pagbablog. Mamaya na lang ulit. Nandito na kami sa may place kung saan kami unang tatalon, yung par jump na tinatawag. Basically tatalon lang mula sa taas pababa. Siyempre may harness, hindi ko alam kung ilang feet to. So dito kami, ayun yung paa, punta nyo sa taas. Yun yung mga mag-zipline. Yun yung pupuntahan ko mamaya. Papunta doon. Now it's our time. Kami naman ang tatalon.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a sleeping dragon over here. Okay, sleeping dragon. Look, look, a dragon, sleeping dragon. Wow! Shh, keep quiet. Be careful. There's a hungry lion. Look.
Alright, you do your mega zip upside down. Alright. You go? I mean, they allow it? Yeah, you can do it because you're wearing a full body armor.
Oh, I just turn my body upside down.
Yes.
When I jump.
You'll sit outside first. Once you pull the trigger, you start to move. Lean back, put your legs on top of the rope, hands out. And use your control.
Thanks.
You have a good day. Yeah? You take the water. Yeah? Take care.
Now doing the mega sip. Sayang wala yung battery ko kanina. Binalikan ko pa. Sayang di ako nakakuha ng video dun sa Parajump. Actually, doon, mula rito, pababa. Yeah, something like that. Tatalong ba there. And now doing the mega sip. Woo! Yan ang zip line. Mas Joseph. Ito na. So yung zip line is nagmula doon all the way papunta rito sa isang maliit na island na ito. Then babalik kami dun sa kinuha na ng ticket kasi nandun yung mga yung bag ko. Thank you.
Good job, sir. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Super friendly sila. Natuwa ako and then they have a thumbs up. So I'm doing second time around again, Parajump and the zip line. I don't know why, pero pakiramdam ko kailangan kong ulitin, lalo na yung dun sa Parajump kasi hindi ako nakakuha ng shot. Pangalawang jump or zip line is cost 25 na lang experience, so andito na, so why not make it to the fullest, diba? Ganun yung buhay, make it to the fullest. Lagi nilang sinasabi rito yung mga crew, kailangan itry mo yung upside down. Subukan ko.
Make sure your battery is on.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yeah.
Turn around. One more Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Been there, done that. How many meters?
15 only.
15 meters. Okay, let's do it.
Oh, like that's 50 meters.
Ready? Okay, go. Go to your left.
Good job, guys.
Woo! Yes, sir. Awesome. Lean back.
Am I out of my head? Am I out of my mind? If you only knew the bad things I like, don't think that I can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. Don't matter what you say, don't matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
At dahil celebration ng Chinese New Year end of this month. Kung ano makikita nating decoration regarding Chinese New Year celebration. And one of those places is itong Sentosa. So may mga red lantern sila above. Advance Happy Chinese New Year. Nandito na ako sa bahay, nakapag-shower na rin, nakapagpalit. It's been a long day. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin para sa whole vlog. And starting from this vlog, I will be doing a random shout out para dun sa mga nagko-comment dun sa video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like. Just do it! At isa pa pala, if you have the time, please push that bell thingy, that notification thing. So every time na may bagong video, you will get notified. Do it! And my first random shout out goes to Mr. Funny Filipino Food Fanatic. Yan. Yes sir, thank you for commenting on my last video. Salamat. At salamat ulit sa pagsama sa ulitin ulit. And this is how this vlog ends. No. Okay.